How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farms. Today, I got my stepdad Sonny with me. How about you, Sonny?
Hey, how you doing, Hank?
If you've been with my channel for a while, you've actually seen Sonny in previous videos. He came down 2 years ago, and they spent a couple days with us. This is from North Carolina. They come down during the winter months to get away from the cold weather up there. They didn't make it last year because of all the pandemic or whatnot. They're back down this year. And I told Sonny, I said, listen, dude, I said, if you come down, I got to put you to work. You can't come down here to vacation.
You know, that's supposed to be vacation time, though.
I know it, dude, but you can't do that.
Oh, man.
But anyway.
I'm retired.
Well, I try to do him a favor by renting him a dozer so he can get some work done. And then all of a sudden, I come out, he said, Hank, I broke your dozer. And I said, what? He says, Hank, I broke your dozer.
Let's back up on that.
What?
Let's back up on that. When I got out of the car, you said, you see the dozer horse parked? It was in there in the thicket?
Yeah.
I said, yeah, I see it there. And he said, well, it's broke. I busted the hose on it.
I broke it?
That's what you told me. We're going to go see.
But it sounds better if I say you broke it.
I know it sounds better, but they ain't the facts, so.
Hey, you guys, take a look at this clip and see how this one broken tree limb snapped behind the blade, busted the hydraulic line on this dozer. Take a look at this clip right here. Well, here she sits, and you can see, I mean, there was no tree. I spent 3 hours in the woods doing tree work and didn't break nothing. And then I get down here where it ain't nothing to break it, and I break it. I was so mad. All right, I hear the service guy pulling up. Nothing like the sound of an old 11-foot wide diesel coming through your 12-foot wide gate. Of course, they're using Rams. That's right. Oh, Lord, here he comes. Nice service truck. Good choice, H&E. Them Rams are nice trucks. Sonny.
Yeah.
Now, if this guy charges us, are you going to pay for it?
Sure. Damn, keep his foot on the check, though.
That's right. That's right. Make them rubber checks now.
It'll bounce.
That's right. I love this. How many people you done fooled with this thing?
103 as of last week.
He said 103 as of last week. That's hilarious. I love it, man.
They blow the horn and tell you got a wrench hanging.
You got a wrench on there. All right, this Mr. Kevin showed up. He's going to do all the fixing for us, I think. Does it look all right?
Oh, we're going to figure it out.
That's right. They said they sent the #1 mechanic, so that's what they said anyway.
Yeah, that's what they tell me. They call it a lot worse.
That's right, I hear you. What we can do, Mr. Kevin, is when you get that hose clamp off, I'll wiggle it for you and you might be able to see the other end, and we'll try to do it that way.
That'd be a snake right here.
Yep. Pull
Yeah,
it,
yeah. That's it.
Okay.
Yep. Sure is.
Now, let's just see what all I got to do.
What kind of tool set you got there?
Just
Oh, a Sun X. I use Sun X impact wrench socket. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm a Sun X. I'm a fan of Sun X.
I tell you what, I like them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look with them.
Yeah, like I say, all our impact sockets are Sun X.
I got a 1/4 to 1 inch set.
Yeah, yeah. Mine's 1/2 inch, I think. Maybe 3/4. I can't remember now. What kind of contraption you got going on there, Mr. Kid?
Well, you can't push. I can't reach that hole and get that line through there.
Right.
When I get this end off, I'm gonna tie it to the old line.
There you go.
Through.
Yeah,
Line
yeah.
through.
So, but I thought he told me this is your first day on the job. It don't sound like it. Second. Yeah, you learned that one day one. This now you get to apply your lessons learned on day 2.
I stayed the Holiday Inn Express.
That's right. That's right. Sonny, listen, he's already 10 times smarter than I am. You know what I mean?
Both of us together.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
I don't know.
You know, between the 3 of us, you know, I'm the ugly one. So that's the. Does that other side open on the other panel? You guys might not actually see the proprietary part, Oh man. Let me know if I can help you do anything now.
Ain't hardly no room for me and my wrenching.
Yeah, I hear you. All right, so he's gonna stay in there for just a minute while he undoes the broke hose and then put the new one on there. While he's crawled up under that thing, if you guys are liking this kind of workwear that you see me wearing in all these videos, I got the links in the description below, and then of course the Hamiltonville Farm merch. I put that link in the description below too if you want some Hamiltonville Farm t-shirts or hoodies or stuff like that. Anyway, check the links out in the description. We'd appreciate it. How's that knuckle doing?
It'll grow back.
They say you ain't really fixing nothing until you're bleeding.
That's exactly right.
Well, I must be all a good fixer because I bleed a lot every time I work on anything.
Yeah.
They say I got that rotten skin.
Said it'll scab over here.
Oh
That's
yeah,
right.
eventually.
Yeah, this sock on there, and because that sock is also around another
Ran the other one too there.
around the metal, the line. Yeah.
Double there.
Yeah.
I'll see if I can pull it back to me just a little.
Okay.
So I can tie this off.
You might.
Sorry?
No. I was going to say you might be able to pull that too, but you actually want to bring it this way.
That's right.
Yeah. I told you was the smart one.
Yeah, I don't know about all that. So ain't really got nothing to tie for my rope to hold on to down there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it slipped right on off.
That end broke off.
That's right. Here comes the magic.
Do we need to pull it where you guide it back there or anything?
That mud's slick, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
You don't got it, I can pull it if you need me to.
Yeah, I can't really see.
Just whenever you say. Yeah, you're pulling it back, so.
Yeah, you got it. As soon as you get in that sock, you'll be golden.
Yeah.
That's the hard part, though, ain't it?
Right. It might be trying to start in there. Let's see if we can. I wish I could get my hand there.
Yeah.
Just see if there's a plate in this floor.
All right.
Oh,
Oh yeah, there you go. Just take that plate off. Imagine that, an access panel. You'll have a little more room. We take that thing off right there.
bad can't see.
There you go.
Just one up front.
Yeah, there we go.
Now then.
Let me hold that up.
Let's don't
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the side over
leave it alone.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I've always been.
Yeah, sometimes if you don't mess with something, they don't break as much.
See what it is. There's a wire tie on it.
Oh yeah. Yep. Here you go.
Well, that's so sharp it'll hurt you.
Yeah. I don't know nothing about sharp knives. What I prefer to do is keep a dull knife and just saw through it for about 15 minutes before.
When I pulled out my pocket.
I'll tell you what, though, man gonna cut me. I want him to cut me with a sharp one, not a dull one.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'll pull if you line it up to the sock.
Okay, let me get everything.
Yeah,
ready.
yeah. You just let me know when.
Maybe
The
there's
the important part is it's still got to happen.
maybe there's not another tie up there. I'd ease it on to you.
Okay, gonna pull her slow.
Fine job.
The hangs will go back and forth with it. Saw it. I got a little catch on it.
All right, go ahead.
All right, that done it. All right, back to you again.
Okay.
No, it's still hung.
Still hanging.
Yeah.
You're getting close though.
All right, now let me try it my way again.
All right, come on.
Let me twist it around.
There you go.
There you go.
I don't want to jerk it because I don't want to pull that rope loose.
There it is.
There we go. We got
half of it.
We're halfway, buddy.
We got to tag her by the tail.
All right, now let me get.
Hold on a second, son.
I'm stopped.
Okay, come on.
All right.
Look at that.
Come on.
Pull back to you.
Okay.
Right there, Hank. Push it. It's catching this other line. There you go. Right here, Hank.
Oh, I got you. Oh,
You're right there.
I need to twist my end.
Yeah.
Let me get it off right here. So.
yeah, it's catching on
Yes,
there.
it's wadded up right there.
Mm-hmm.
Let me grab the sock and see if I can pull the sock.
Catching on that metal line.
Yeah, that's right.
Push it over. Push it toward the dozer.
Oh, I got. Yeah. I feel him twisting it. All right, go ahead.
I don't want to pull it hard.
No, you good. There it
Just
goes.
got to get that.
There it goes.
Oh, she give a little bit. This.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yep,
There we
there you
go.
go. She's
There we go.
Look like we went to school for that.
Yeah, buddy.
I got enough hose here to match back up.
Oh man, you put the wrong end on there.
Oh. Pull it back over.
Watch that, Boudreaux.
We'll have a redo. Redo.
That'd been horrible.
Everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
Sometimes you
Well,
know what it is.
The first run is practice run.
That's right.
Now that we're proficient at it, we can do it
Do
again.
it again.
Yeah. Oh man, this is awesome.
Yeah, that's a good
You
hose
want
there.
that,
They
you want
could.
that wrench?
I'm not gonna tighten it till I get the other end on.
Oh, okay. All right, man.
Get everything laid down like it should.
Yeah, that's right.
At the shop, they can make this end up, can't they, or not?
Yes, sir. I can make one on that truck.
Well, I don't want to duck them up and they quit doing it. They bring a new hose in to tuck
Yeah.
them back in,
Yeah.
make them up.
Yeah, we used to have a mobile hose guy around here, but he got out of the business, so they're hard to find sometimes.
Yeah.
Well, we got hose, fittings, the crimping machine, everything on the truck. It saves a lot of
Boy, that's
riding.
good. Yeah,
Boy, I'm
that's good to
telling you.
have there.
Saves a lot of riding.
Yeah, I guarantee that.
It looked like it lost a lot of oil.
No, I cut it. Literally, it was only 6 seconds after I popped it. The motor was shut down because I got it on video.
You got that photographic.
Boy,
Yeah.
so one day it might get you in trouble having on everything on video.
I don't do nothing that gets
Bet
me
you
in
on the
trouble.
wrong end of the stick.
Well, hey, listen, that's why they call it. It's called editing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
But it didn't leak as bad as I thought it was going to do.
You'd have-
Oh yeah, I
Oh,
didn't.
yeah, probably
Yeah,
it
that's
would-
right. Yeah,
it
no, I
would've-
didn't touch it.
It would have pumped it out of there quick.
It showed you where it was leaking real fast.
Tighten her up. It's a pretty simple procedure.
Yeah.
Just hate you had to come out here and do it. To be honest with you.
Yeah. If I wasn't working on this, I'd be working on something else.
Yeah. Well, at least you got to come make a video with me.
That's right.
Yeah. Now listen, the next time you go to Walmart or Rural King or something, people be like, "I saw you in the video." Don't you know? You gotta give him an autograph or something.
Little boy told me he gonna make me famous. Anger.
Yes, sir.
Any kind of a leak.
Watch yourself, sonny.
No leak.
This side looks good.
Not a drop.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. All right. Well, access panel's buttoned up. Well, I think putting that hose clamp on there. Now, listen. I think what the guy at the shop was telling me, Mr. Kevin, he said when the field tech gets out there, he'll do work for you about an hour and a half just to make sure that everything's working before he leaves the premises.
Is that what he's talking about when I pulled up yesterday? I heard him say something about that.
He said he was gonna ops check it by doing some work for you for an hour and a half.
I'm not gonna get in on that one now. I ain't backing on that, Hank. I can't lie for you.
Man, I'm telling you.
I'd enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm telling you, there ain't nothing like it, dude. It's so much fun. So,
You can turn that phone off and put it in that truck, get on a piece of equipment and play.
yeah.
Most of it, that's working.
Yeah, buddy.
He said he fed me last night and he's gonna put me to work.
Yeah, now the real stuff. Well, we gotta get before the rain comes. All right, off he goes. Yeah, buddy.
He getting out? Yeah.
He gonna get down. All right, Sonny, you gonna back that thing up?
Yep.
All right. All right, Sonny, ready to get to work?
I'm ready.
All right, then. Hey, you guys take care. God bless you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.